Silver continues to squeeze higher. This is Chris from FXEmpire taking a look at the silver market. Silver has rallied again during the Monday session after initially pulling back to pierce the $28.50 level. This is an area above that has caused a significant amount of resistance, and I would be a bit leery of silver between here and $30. I think there's a ton of resistance waiting to jump into the market. Perhaps a lot of profit taking. Perhaps uh, paper silver markets pushing things around. After all, there have been numerous scandals of manipulation of price, especially near this area in the past, where banks like JP Morgan have been fined millions of dollars. That being said, they make a lot more than that, so they don't have a problem doing it again. Short-term pullbacks, though, should attract a certain amount of attention because clearly precious metals are going higher. And with that being the case, I think you have to look at it through the prism of a market that you're looking for value. Whether or not you find that value right now remains to be seen, but clearly it is a market that you can't short. In fact, the idea of shorting silver anywhere above $26 is a bit tricky at this point unless something fundamentally changes. Right now, I just don't see that happening. So, with that being the case, it's very likely that any dip that appears will probably attract a certain amount of buying pressure. If we were to break above $30, that would send silver skyrocketing. We've seen that happen a couple of times in the past, but $50 is always a bit difficult. Also, you're starting to hear a lot of chatter on the internet about how great silver is, which is generally a sign of getting closer to the end of the run, not closer to the beginning of a bigger one. That doesn't mean it can't rip higher. It's just that history tells us this. You have to be positive, but whether or not this is a longer term trade, we'll just have to wait and see. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.